everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jyotirolla and today we are going to do a Valentine makeup look. So I'm very excited to talk about the Valentine and how we girls always get ready for a Valentine moments. So this is like one of the very exciting moment. We do it for ourselves more than the other person we met or we are planning to meet or we never meet anyone. So let's get ready for our own self for the Valentine, and it's gonna be a very quick makeup look, like not quick makeup look, it's gonna take time, but we are gonna use some pink, some purple, some glitter and some shine, the gold shine and all that stuff. Let's get started. To start with, I'll do the base makeup first, and then we'll go back to the eyes, because in that way we can do because the base makeup sometimes take too much time and eye makeup take a little quicker time. So I'll do a quick base makeup with you. To start with the base makeup, I'm gonna use this Nykaa primer, Prep Me Up. I try to take my primer a little below this neck area so that if I put the foundation there, it hold up well. After primer, I'm gonna use this MAC Stoke Cream. So I'm gonna take a little bit amount on my tray or whatever you guys prefer, or if you want to directly put on your face, you can do that. But I like to first go with the plate thing, and then I'm gonna use this brush. I don't remember from where I got this one, and just spread all over my face, just like this. So I'm gonna use two foundation for this. First is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and second is Too Faced Born This Way. This one, the color shade is warm beige, and this one is Y3456P01. So first I'll just spread over my face. I'm gonna use this beauty blender from Nykaa. I know my face looks too white, but once you contour it and do all the other finishing stuff, everything will go together. It happens because most of the time when you put something new, your skin take time to go with it. So never feel like it's too white when you're applying something. I'm gonna use this concealer from Maybelline. This one I'm using from a very long time, and I have a backup of the same. I'm gonna use this white powder with this brush, which I'll write down all the brushes name and everything under the description, and I'm just gonna set this under eye first, because then all the thing what we are doing it will give a crease, which is not good. First I'll use this Eýᴇs Espresso. The shade name is Espresso. So I'm gonna just a little bit here. So now I'm gonna use my favorite. I have two options for the blush. I'm gonna use a blush, and then I'm gonna use the highlighter. We can keep this thing after we do the eyes, but I want to do the blush at least, which will give me a good look. So this one is very pink. Okay, I can't open it. This one is like a very pink kind of color, which is very beautiful. I love this. And this one is more of a nude pink kind of stuff. Okay, focus. It's Valentine. I feel like I should go with the more pink tone. What do you think? This one. So I'm gonna take this brush from Proati AF11, and I'm gonna take a very little amount on this, because this is too strong. I'm gonna go a little bit. Oh god, this is a beautiful pink, rose pink kind of thing. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this pencil from Maybelline Fashion Brows. So if you want a good finishing eyeliner and a good what we say, the good arch over here, you can put a tape. If you want, you can just go like this. If you want, you can put a tape. I feel like I'm gonna put the tape here so that I get a good. So we are gonna do the eyes now. For the eyeshadow palette, use this palette from Nirvana collection. This is the volume 1, and I really love this palette. This is like one of my favorite palette nowadays. The colors are amazing, the pigments are great. So this is how the palette look. I'm gonna do the up close. So okay, for the base one, I'm gonna use this color as this pink, the purple one, and to go for the deeper darker, I'm gonna use this red, and to go with the glitter and shine, I'm gonna either of mix these two or any of the one. Maybe the C3 is in my eye. The color name is like a, what we say, A1, A2, A3, A4. The row has numbers like this. So I'm gonna use, the first one is the C4, and then I'm gonna use D3, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of C3, and I'll mix a little bit of D5. This is my plan. Let's start. So first I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from ProArty PF13, and I'm gonna take this I'm taking this shade C4. I'm gonna apply on the first half. Like, how beautiful is this color? I'm gonna use this brush. So I'm taking this I'm gonna take this red one, which is like a D3, and I'm gonna put like on the corner and then go under. Wow, this is beautiful. Once this red is done, oh my god, this is so beautiful. After this red one, I wanted to go with a little brown. So I'm gonna use this angle brush to take a little bit of this darker brown. This is C5, this brown, on this angle brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit over this area, just to mix everything together. And that's it. Once this all done, I'm going to take a concealer and put on my eyelid to get a proper glitter. I'm going to take this concealer from L'Oreal Paris. I have a lot of product from L'Oreal. Just a little teeny tiny. So I'm gonna use this B3. This is a beautiful pink, which I really like it. Hope you can see it. I'm gonna use with my finger, apply over here. I really love it. So I'm gonna take this liner from Too Faced to make a good wink, because wink is so important. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna use the C4 first, and then I'm gonna use the D3, and then C5. These are the 3 colors I'm gonna use. First I'm gonna use like a little lighter. So my under eyes are done, and then I'm gonna take a small brush like this, and I am gonna take, the shade name is E1, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corners. So once this is done, I'm gonna take a mascara. Before using a mascara, I'm gonna use this curler. I got this from Color Bar, I think. So once you curl your lashes, then I'm gonna use this mascara from Maybelline. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use this one from Sugar. The shade is 02. NYX. I'm gonna mix two lipstick. The first one is from NYX and the second one is from L'Oreal. This one is Eýᴇs and the shade name of this one is Lipa. This one is the second one from NYX. So this is, I just done with my whole makeup. Now I'm gonna do a little bit curl a little bit my hairs, and then that would be my complete Valentine look. And I'm gonna show you how I do quick curls. It would be like 7 piece or 8 pieces all over my hairs and to a small sections, and that's all. I'm like curling wand. For the curling wand, I'm using this one from Icon Professional Multi-Tone. This is how it look, and then I'm just gonna take a random pieces. So finally my hairs are done. This is how it look. I did a very little mild curl kind of stuff, which will give me a little bit of volume, which will give me a little bit of uplift that I am into the romantic curls zone. So this is my complete Valentine look. I just want to say thank you so much for watching me. Hope you guys love yourself and be with your loved one if they are there around you, and be happy, enjoy it. Hope you like this video. Do share if you're doing the same eye look. I'm there to be like, you can message me on my Instagram, YouTube, or message me on Twitter. I always respond to my Twitter messages. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.